Okay, so we're looking at number 7 now. Number 7 says, what is paragraph 3 mainly about? So we are going to have to go back to paragraph 3, maybe reread it or read our annotations that we left for ourselves and figure out what is the whole paragraph mainly about. So basically the main topic of that paragraph. So let's go ahead and look back. So before I read, when I was highlighting my keywords, I jotted next to paragraph 3 so that I would know to leave an annotation here while I was reading. So while I read, I discovered that this paragraph was talking about the benefits of students with a busy schedule. So looking back, some of the words that I highlighted, the keywords in this paragraph were flexibility, student schedules, and that they can log on anywhere at any time to complete their work. So what I'm seeing is kids who are busy outside of school, online learning really benefits them because they can log on at any time and complete their work. So I'm going to look at the answer choices and read them to y'all, and we'll see if one of those matches our annotation. And hopefully you had an annotation next to paragraph 3 as well. A says, the variety of classes offered in online learning. So you have to think to yourself, did it talk about multiple different classes in online learning? B says, the worry that virtual school takes away from learning. So if you think about paragraph 3, was it a positive paragraph about online learning or negative? And think about B. Is B talking positively about online learning or negatively? C says the ability to accommodate students' time outside of school. So if you look at the word accommodate, that's kind of a bigger word. So let's use this dictionary tool. Accommodate means to fit in with the wishes or provide space or lodging. Or the third definition says adapt to, which is what we would want to look at. So does online learning adapt to students' time outside of school? So think about that. And then D says the concern of falling behind in fast-paced customary school. Again, this kind of goes with the positive or negative of paragraph 3. D is talking negatively about online school. But if you think back, paragraph 3 was talking positively. It was talking about all the good things about online school. So go ahead and think, maybe go read paragraph 3 and then answer the question on the spreadsheet.